Catherine, Princess of Wales, and Sophie, Duchess of Edinburgh, had to contend with windy conditions this afternoon as the weather played havoc with their glamorous outfits at the Order of the Garter ceremony. The royal duo donned stunning dresses for the annual service at Windsor Castle, but had to hold onto their hats to prevent them from being blown away by the wind. Princess Catherine and Duchess Sophie have formed an unbreakable bond, having both come from relatively modest backgrounds before marrying into the royal family. The royal women, who have been pictured together on various occasions over the years, are undeniably close and often support each other when it comes to important causes. During the Garter Day service, Princess Catherine chose to rewear her polka-dot Alessandro Rich dress, accessorizing it with a matching black and white polka-dot fascinator by Philip Tracy and white pumps with a black toe. Meanwhile, Sophie, Duchess of Edinburgh, looked typically stylish in a pink and white midi dress from Emilia Wickstead, priced at £1,628, when attending the ceremony at St George's Chap. The mother of two, who today celebrates her 24th wedding anniversary with Queen Elizabeth II's youngest son, Prince Edward, teamed the elegant frock with a statement pink headpiece and kept her blonde locks in a neat updo. She carried with her a cream handbag to match cream heels. Shortly after Kate and Sophie's arrival, King Charles and Queen Camilla led the royal procession for the Order of the Garter service, followed closely by other members of the royal family who are part of the order, including Prince William, Prince Edward, and Princess Anne. The knights wore grand velvet robes, glistening insignia, and plumed hats for the hallowed ceremony. Catherine and Sophie did not join the procession or wear ceremonial gowns since they have not been appointed to the Order of the Garter. Catherine, Princess of Wales, is widely recognized as one of the most prominent members of the British royal family. Her marriage to Prince William in 2011 solidified her influence on the family's reputation in the modern world. Similarly, Sophie, Duchess of Edinburgh, who married Prince Edward in 1999, is regarded as a significant force for good within the family. Despite their 17-year age gap, Princess Kate likely looked to Sophie for guidance during her transition into royal life. Both women were part of the late Queen's inner circle and became pillars of support following the passing of the Duke of Edinburgh in April 2021. Their non-royal backgrounds allowed them to meet their husbands in relatively ordinary circumstances. Prior to marrying Prince Edward, Sophie was known as Sophie Rhys-Jones and grew up in the West Kent village of Brenchley. She attended Kent College for Girls and later worked as a secretary at a London public relations firm, where she met Edward. While Catherine was also a commoner before marriage, she grew up in a wealthy family. Her parents, Michael and Carol Middleton, founded the successful party supplies company Party Pieces. Catherine worked for the family business as well as Jigsaw, a clothing retailer, before marrying William. Their wealth was a result of their hard work and dedication, allowing their children to attend prestigious schools such as St Andrews Prep School and Marlborough, a private boarding school.